Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I guess it's time for me to make another comparison video. Today we are going to compare Lime Crime Velvet lipstick, or how do they call it, and Jeffree Star Below Liquid Lipstick. Lime Crime Velvet. Anyways, so I have two of these and this is my new thing. Let's compare the price here. The Lime Crime ones are more expensive. We should mention that both of them are cruelty free and vegan, which is very nice to know. And as far as I remember, the Jeffree Star one has more product in it, something like, I'll show the numbers here. I decided to compare them in some categories like price, smell, how long you can wear them, I believe, how long they are able to stay on the lips, how quickly they are able to dry, and yeah, let's start with Lime Crime. And I think I have two shades, red, and the other one I don't remember, and I lost this thing with name. And the Jeffree Star ones I have Celebrity Skin. So I think I'll take this one and let's see. I think we are done with this one. Let's mark the time. 1 minute will be enough. And now let's talk about this lipstick. So the smell is, I prefer Jeffree Star's lipsticks smell, fragrance. This one is like caramel-ish, too sweet for me, and it's a watery product. It's in comparison, I say it in comparison with the other, our candidate. This one is more watery, and as far as I remember, it has less product in it, and the time is run out. So let's also, I have these swatches on my hand. These two are Lime Crimes and this one is Jeffree Star's. Let's kiss. Let's check out if it is dry or not. Clean hand. Nothing. As you can see, my hand is clear, so in 1 minute it is able to dry completely if you use only one layer, as I do. I think it's enough for me. And by the way, can you see the time, like into pinkish colors, like my earrings, my jumper. There's a lot of violet color right now. Is it here? So yeah. This lipstick, what I like about this lipstick is that it stays for a long time and it's very lightweight. You may sometimes even forget that you have something on your lips. When I tried Lime Crime lipstick for the first time, from this series of course, I was very excited about it, about this ability of this product, and yeah, I very like it. But there is a disadvantage, a bad thing for me. As for me, it is that when you eat or drink something hot, warm, it washes away, which is not that nice, but otherwise I think it would be much more drier, as this from NYX lingerie series, which are extremely dry, but also they, I don't know what you can do to wash them away in your everyday life. Let's remove it. By the way, I use these products to remove my lipsticks. And now let's move on to the next one. I think that's it, as it is very nudish for me. It is easy to put it on. I mean, when the lipstick is dark, it is hard because you can see all the mistakes. I can't speak. I'm sorry. Let me die. The timer is here. So let's talk about this lipstick now. I like the fragrance of it much more. It's like something, it's unusual. I never met such a fragrance in lipsticks, but it is nice. It's not that sweet. This is the way I can describe it. It feels differently. It's already, it feels, let's do the test. The hand is clean from the last time. Here it stays. We have a little spot here, but it will dry. I don't have any problem with it. Maybe I put a little bit more of this product than the Lime Crime one. So yeah, it, as you can see, dries also very quickly, but it feels differently when you put it on and it is not dry yet. It's more like a oilish feeling, and the product itself is creamier than the Lime Crime one, and as I said, the Lime Crime lipstick is more watery. So I think it is easier to apply Jeffree Star's one because of its consistency apparently. So it also has this thing than when you eat something warm or hot and drink. It washes away a little on the center or lips. In the center, I can't. I just can't. What else? What else? I think that's it. Let's remove it. Let's see how easy, if it is easy to remove. I think that's it. Yes, let's try the inside. No, it's actually not. I wanted not to use it. I didn't want to use a mirror. Taking into consideration all I've said above, I don't think that there is any winner between these two lipsticks. I like them, both. Both of the ranges have a lot of interesting colors which are like out there, very for brave people, I would say, and it is very cool. What else? So the Jeffree Star one is more affordable and it has more products, so in this way it wins. But the products themselves are both good. I like them, and I don't think that it's not a big deal that this one is a little bit cheaper, because in Russia it's not that cheaper. They are like luxury products here. For example, this one costs like 1,900 rubles, which is, you can buy Clinique lipstick, or I don't know, Chanel is a little bit more expensive. For example, Chanel one costs like 2,200. Like, what? Lime cream? Chanel? You got me. And this one is a little bit cheaper, but not that much. So yeah, there is no winner today. I love both of these products and I recommend them both. Bye. I will see you very soon. I hope. You never know. I'm ill. You don't care, so I should stop. I will see you very soon. Bye.